Are you looking for the top 5 budget above ground pools? Which above ground pool is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that.
Product number 1, Intex Metal Frame 12-foot. Let's kick things off with the Intex Metal Frame 12-foot by 30-inch round above ground swimming pool set. Priced at $111.63. This caught my eye with its classic design and solid build. If you want a reliable pool for summer gatherings, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It holds 1,718 gallons, enough for family fun or just cooling off. The best part? It's easy to set up, ready for water in just 30 minutes. The metal frame is sturdy and rust resistant, so you can swim season after season. Plus, it's made from puncture-resistant 3-ply PVC, meaning it can handle the usual wear and tear of summer fun. People are clearly loving it, with over 2,000 units sold just last month. Now, some people complained about its size being too small for larger families. Here's the thing though, if you have a smaller yard or just a few kids, it's perfect without taking over your outdoor space. This is perfect for you if you want a simple, no-fuss pool for a small family or a few friends. Skip this one if you're planning huge summer parties. For the price, it delivers solid value. Now, if that size bothered you.
Product number 2, Intex Prism Frame 12 feet. Next up is the Intex 26711EP 12 feet by 30-inch Prism Frame Premium Above Ground Swimming Pool Set. Coming in at $194.06, this one stood out with its premium features. If you're after durability and a bit more style, this is definitely worth considering. This pool also holds 1,718 gallons, making it ideal for family gatherings. Its oversized metal tubing and oval vertical supports ensure incredible strength, which is a big deal if you've got rowdy kids. The puncture-resistant 3-ply material means it's built to last, and the innovative T-joint design means you can set it up in about 30 minutes, no tools required. Plus, it comes with a filter pump that pumps out 530 gallons per hour, keeping your water nice and clean. But I have to be real with you. Some reviews mention it can be a bit tough to take down at the end of the season. Here's the thing, if you're going to use it often, it's worth the effort. This is perfect for you if you want a sturdy setup that looks great in your backyard. Skip this if you need something ultra portable. Overall, it gives you a good balance of quality and convenience. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even.
Product number 3, Intex Metal Frame 10-foot. Now we have the Intex Metal Frame 10-foot by 30-inch round above ground swimming pool set, priced at $99.17. I honestly love this one for its compact size and affordability. If you're looking for a budget-friendly choice that still packs a punch, this is worth a serious look. This pool has a capacity of 1,185 gallons, perfect for smaller backyards or just a couple of kids splashing around. Like its bigger brother, it's ready for water in 30 minutes with no tools required for assembly. The durable metal frame resists rust, and the puncture-resistant PVC material means it can take some hits. Plus, with over 1,000 sold last month, it's clear people are enjoying it. Now, some buyers mention it can feel cramped with more than 4 people. Here's the thing though, if you're a smaller family or just want something easy to set up, this is spot on. This is perfect for you if you want something affordable and easy. Skip this if you entertain large groups regularly. For the price, it's a solid deal that won't break the bank. Now, if you want something a bit different.
Product number 4, Bethamali Inflatable Pool. The Bethamali Extra Large Inflatable Pool is up next. Priced at $99.99, this is huge at 145 inches by 74 inches. If you want something that can fit the whole family plus some friends, keep listening. This pool holds 635 gallons and can accommodate up to 10 people, making it ideal for summer parties. It's made of BPA-free PVC, so it's safe for everyone to splash around. The 3 individual air chambers help prevent leaks, and the easy drain feature makes cleanup a breeze. I was genuinely surprised at how quickly it inflated, about 3-4 minutes with an electric pump. However, some users mentioned it's not as durable as a traditional hard pool. Here's the thing, if you handle it with care and avoid sharp objects, it'll be just fine for a season of fun. This is perfect for you if you want a quick setup for family gatherings. Skip this if you prefer a more permanent option. For the price, it's a fun choice for casual summer enjoyment. Now, if you want something with a bit more structure, let's check.
Product number 5, Rucala Inflatable Pool. Last but not least is the Rucala Inflatable Pool with seats and headrests. At $79.97, this is compact yet spacious, measuring 8 feet by 8 feet. If you want comfort and relaxation while cooling off, this one's a solid contender. This pool has a capacity of 540 gallons and comes with an electric pump for quick inflation, just 3 minutes. The included protective ground tarp keeps it safe from wear and tear, which is a nice touch. The built-in seats and headrests make it perfect for lounging around on hot days. Honestly, I didn't expect to love the comfort of just chilling in the water. But I have to mention that it may not hold up as well against rough use. Here's the thing. If you're careful and use it for relaxing rather than rowdy play, it should serve you well. This is perfect for you if you want a cozy spot to relax. Skip this if you need something for heavy-duty swimming.
To wrap things up, we've looked at the Intex metal frame 12 feet, the Intex prism frame, the Intex metal frame 10 feet, the Befamali inflatable pool, and the Rucala inflatable pool. Each of these options offers something unique, whether it's size, durability, or comfort. So think about what matters most to you and make the best choice for your summer fun.